Sweat Wallet secret phrase. So yeah, you can just go to Sweat Wallet and then tap on your profile in top left. And then from here, you can just tap to create a new secret phrase. So in case, you had your secret phrase in Sweat Wallet with a previous one, like with the activation email, it's a good idea to change it. So if someone gains access to it, they can steal all your assets from the wallet. So recommend you to change the secret phrase now. So generate your new secret phrase, save it somewhere safe, and next time you log in, remember not to use the original email but the new secret phrase. So yep, that's basically the idea how you can create a new secret phrase. It will be 12 words, and then you will be asked to verify some of the words, and then basically you'll have it, and then you can recover your Sweat Wallet account with that secret phrase. So that's the process. I don't know whether how to know your secret phrase, because previous one was sent to your email, so you could always recover your secret phrase from email. Now it's not sent to your email, because if someone get access to your email, they got access to Sweat Wallet. So now it just shows you on the screen, and you just have this one opportunity to save it or copy it somewhere, and then it's gone. So if you didn't save it, then you need to create a new secret phrase if you are logged in. So this is really important. So you need to be kind of logged in, and then you can always create a new secret phrase. But if you log out and if you forgot your secret phrase, then it's not possible. You will lose access to your assets.